Welcome back, fellow Spartans. This is our next tutorial in Python. Today, we'll be going over the basics of variables. Variables are a way for you to store information inside of a name that you provide it. Still, for example, let's say we have an age variable. We're going to type age into our code editor here. And we're going to use the assignment operator, which is the equal sign. And we are going to give us the age of 343 years old. Now, the value of 343 is now stored inside of the variable age. And we can use that value and that variable anywhere we want now inside of our program. For example, let's say we wanted to print out the age to the console. Look what happens here. We have 343 outputted to the console. That is a very good first step here. And in a future video, we will go over data types in detail because this is a whole number here, 343. But later on, we will go into the different data types available to us. Now, let's say we want to change the value of age. We can do that simply by reassigning a value to it. Age equal 100. No, 117. Now, the value of age has changed. And now, when we output it through the console, we get 117 down here. First, it's 343, then it's 117. To make our code more readable, we are going to space it out and also add a comment. We're going to comment out what this code does. So in the future, if we come back to this program, we'll know exactly what is happening. Right here is the basics of variables in Python. We know how to create a variable and assign it a value, and we also know how to change a value inside of a variable. But what if we wanted to add a value to a variable? Let us change the value of age to a different value without reassigning it. Still, we're going to do age equal the current value in age, which is currently 117, and we're going to add 3 to it. Now, when we print out the age, it should be 120. And as you see, it is 120 down here. Great. Now we know how to add a value to a variable. In a later video, we will go over how to do math inside of Python. This concludes today's video of simple variable creation inside of Python. In a later video, we will go over different data types in Python and inside of them different types of values. Remember, Spartan, in Python, variables are your allies. They hold the data that drives your mission forward. Keep them clear, concise, and ready for action. Adapt and overcome. Hoorah!